Okay, so it doesn't take your law degree to figure out what it is we do around here. It says it right at the top of the page. It says digital marketing for lawyers. Well, what does that mean and how do we go about doing it? It's pretty tempting in modern day marketing to get caught up with the glitz and glamour of the whole digital process. But the truth is that marketing is the same now as it always has been. It's about relationships with people. And all things being equal, people will do business with people that they know, like, and trust. This is the professional services trifecta. This is what you're trying to tick off on when it comes to building relationships with potential clients for your firm. And so often in this digital marketing world, we get caught up with the tools. We get caught up with the latest tech or the latest app or the latest social media channel. We've got the Facebook and the LinkedIn and Snapchat and email and content and video and podcast and websites and chatbots and artificial intelligence and all these things that we think, oh, we should get into that, we should try this, we should be on X platform. But what I want to encourage you to do is just pause for a second before getting overwhelmed by this unbelievable sea of opportunity that is out there, and consider that absolute core question, which is, how are the things that I'm intending to do, or does the strategy that I'm intending to adopt actually help me become known, liked and trusted by the people that I need to become known, liked and trusted by, to the extent that that will drive some kind of profitable decision making on their part. And that might be through referrals, and that might be through sending you their work directly. Because only once you actually talk about that core question can you develop an effective strategy, whether it's digital marketing or any other form of marketing. But of course, strategy is only as good as its execution. 10 out of 10 marketing strategies that get written down and then placed in a drawer achieve nothing. And this is common, that we overestimate what we can actually do. And so while a big part of my job is actually helping people formulate their strategy and cutting out a lot of the noise in the digital marketing area, the second big part of my job is helping people execute the strategy. How to actually incrementally get things done and start layering up those levels of achievement so that you are building your presence, so that you are developing relationships, so that you are establishing yourself as a trusted advisor in your particular field. The good thing about this, from your perspective, is that I am actually a lawyer too. I have been for coming up on 15 years now, so I understand the industry that you function in. I understand the ethical obligations, I understand your concerns about maintaining a professional image, and I understand, by and large, the difficulty of communicating complex ideas and thoughts in a way that is approachable and simple without necessarily being dumbed down, but is still valuable to the people who you want to get out to see. So have a poke around the site. There is a ton of free stuff here, from articles to podcasts. There's videos around the place. I'd encourage you to sign up to the newsletter, or if you're ready to go with your own digital marketing strategy, reach out and see if we can have a chat, whether I might be able to help you. That's it from me. I hope you enjoy the material on the site, and I look forward to getting connected with you soon.